Hi guys, welcome to Game Time 77. Thanks for watching all my video. In this channel we present family gaming activities. Now in this video I'll be showing you how to play Brother in Ham African campaign. So that is the last hope. The mission objective is repair the AA battery. Guys, this one you've not watched this in all my video that I've uploaded. So you guys enjoy this video. So guys, this one is different from the one you have been watching before. This one is repair the AA battery, but the other one you've been watching before is destroy the AA gun. So guys, I want you to sit comfortably and watch this game. It's very nice and good to be watched. So air is refreshing its energy. This anti-tank is really helpful for these guys. If not for this anti-tank, it will be very hard for him to conquer all this enemy. Now it's repairing the AA gun battery. Now it's been fixed. Nice one.
Fertig!
Alle Mann abschließen! Los, verteilt euch! Haltet die Köpfe unten! There's no time to wait around!
Ich bin getroffen!
Stürmt die Stellung! MG-Feuer! Hintergrund! Panzerfaust!
Let me fire some rockets!
Find cover! Airstrike! Watch out! Airstrike! We need to hurry!
Heavy gunner!
Granate! Das sind zu viele! Wir müssen von hier verschwinden!
Artilleriefeuer auf angegebene Koordinaten! Massives Sperrfeuer legen! In Deckung!
Oh, speed back! Rockets!
Verschwinden wir von hier!
Move it! Move it!
Wir werden angegriffen! Alle Mann in Stellung! Feuer frei! Wir sind bereit! Raus hier! Raus! Sie
Take
sind
point!
hinter uns! Dreht die Kiste!
Fire some rockets! You say Taylor, I say move!
Wow, guys, I believe you enjoyed the first one. So the second one is African campaign on your guide. So the mission objective is destroy the communication gear. So this one is also okay. So guys, I believe you are enjoying all my videos that I've been uploading. So guys, enjoy this.
Boom! God damn it! Playtime, boys! Actually, I got several. Sie sind hinter uns! Brennt die Kiste! Spread out! Shoot, damn it! Shoot! Ich brauche mehr Munition! Nehmen Sie eine Truppe und fallen Sie in die Flanke! Sniper! We can handle this! Keep on moving! Another dead crowd. 3, 2, 1. Yeah!